Hi, Zach Corbin, Marketing Specialist with Cleanfix North America. We're here in Woodstock at the Canada Outdoor Farm Show. Let's take a few moments to go over the features and benefits of the Cleanfix fan. The Cleanfix fan takes operating efficiency to the next level by keeping the rad and screen free of debris. Unlike traditional hydraulic reversing fans that change direction to blow off the rad, the Cleanfix fan articulates its blades 180 degrees at full engine RPM. This design ensures maximum airflow in both directions, as the concave side of the blade is always in the direction of air travel. Each Cleanfix fan is specifically engineered to meet or exceed the performance of the factory OE cooling fan, with a wide range of blade and hub configurations to match the need of most equipment. The Cleanfix fan mounts onto the existing fan drive and operates via a hydraulic or pneumatic system, depending on what best suits the equipment's application. In most aftermarket agricultural applications, the most common setup is our pneumatic fan controlled by the e-box. This unit houses the valve, timer, and standalone air compressor, all sealed off in an element-resistant container. It can be installed in the engine bay or inside the cab with a simple 12-volt connection. Out of the box, the Cleanfix fan manually cycles every 30 minutes, ensuring your equipment is operating at peak performance with peace of mind. In tougher conditions where more frequent cleaning cycle is required, you can manually activate the fan using the in-cab control or adjust cycle times via Bluetooth connection to the Cleanfix app. On this particular machine, the fan is equipped with our VP variable pitch technology. Thermal actuators are positioned behind each blade, and during a cold start or low ambient temperatures, the blade angle is limited to prevent overcooling. As temperatures rise, the wax cylinder expands, extending the piston to increase blade angle and boost cooling capacity. This analog design ensures optimal cooling based on environmental temperatures and does not require integration into the factory ECU, ultimately eliminating risk of equipment failure. The Cleanfix fan offers several efficiency benefits. Optimal temperature regulation. By consistently removing debris, the cooling package can better regulate engine temperature, allowing equipment to perform at its best. Reduce fuel consumption. At colder temperatures or under low load, the fan reduces its pitch, lowering horsepower draw and overall fuel consumption. Cleanfix offers a wide range of configurations for most OE equipment, along with custom-tailored kits for unique applications and product development. For more information on Cleanfix fans, visit cleanfix.org or contact your local equipment specialist.